Alright guys, Alex here, Master Garage. 2014 Nissan Juke, random multiple misfire. We're gonna replace the spark plugs and ignition coil. So as you see the arc right here, I bet you that the spark plugs are really bad. It hasn't been replaced after 100, like 50,000 miles on it. Okay, all you need to do, this is the connector for the turbo. There is two nuts right here, one of them right here and the other one just on the back of that. I put this thing just in case nothing drop inside there. And you're gonna use number 12 socket. Remove that one. There is a couple more right here for the bracket and one here and one here for the bracket and one here, two of them. You got to use number 10 socket to remove this valve. And also there is a tiny hose here, right here, connected to the main, intake. So take it off from here so you have a flexibility, so you can put it at the side right there. Take that one off just like that, put it right here at the side. And there is one more hose right here. Lose the clamp, take it off. It's just air hose, put it at the side. So you're gonna use the number 10 socket again to remove all the screws right here from the ignition coil, pull them out, disconnect the connector, and you're gonna use number 14 deep socket to remove the plugs. The customer got all 4 plugs and the ignition coil from the dealer. So let's take a look at the ignition coil. You got to use the magnet to take it off at the spark plug, So as I mentioned earlier, the plugs are gone. So that's why you have a arc right here, because too much resistance and everything. So we're gonna replace all of them, put it back together, reset the code, and it should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.